So now let's take a look at the image adjustment options inside of image options in Google Docs. So I'm just going to go over here and go into image options, and over here you can see there is adjustment option right here. So here you can see that you can work around with transparency of the image. You can just click and drag the slider and you can see that the image is transparent. It seems as if it is fading in, but it is actually becoming more transparent. So to demonstrate that, I'm just going to copy and paste this out right over here and bring it up. You can see that I can see beneath. So if I were to go over here and bring down the transparency, you can see that this is transparent right here. I can see through this layer just like this. So now I'm just going to delete this, and then I'm going to go around into brightness right over here. So I can bring up the brightness right here, bring down the brightness right over here as well, just like that. And I can increase and decrease the contrast. Contrast means the difference between black and white. So now if I were to increase the contrast, you can see that the difference between the bright and the darker area increases out. Bring down the contrast and you can see that it just blends in just like that. So what you can do with adjustment and recolor is that you can create like the recolor effect. You can control the recolor effect even more. So let's say I want to recolor this. I'm just going to copy and paste this around, keep it at top of one another, and then I'm going to apply recolor onto one of them like red. So if this feels too red, then you can simply select this and then increase out the transparency, because beneath we have the same previous layer. So if I were to increase this, it creates like a sort of a slider right here in the adjustment. You can increase and decrease the brightness of the top layer right over here, and you can see that it seems as if you have more control over the recolor effect just like that as well. And that's how you can use the adjustment option inside of image option in Google Docs. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.